Hi guys, we have done sum ifs, count if. With the same example, there can be something known as an average-if. Now, I hope that you know how to apply this. Nevertheless, let's see if I have to compute the average number of games played. How do you compute the average of something? You add it and you divide it by the number of outcomes? Yes? So in Excel, we have a function known as average. Simple average, select the entire range, close the bracket, press enter. This will give you the average. If I have to format the number in two decimals, I hope you remember the shortcut Alt-H-K. So 65.89 is the average of points earned. In F15, average of points earned by a team that has participated in Champions League. So now how many conditions? One condition, that is the team should have played the Champions League. So one condition, we have average if. It will ask you for a range. Range becomes that column from which criteria is to be selected. So Champions League column, comma, what is the criteria? It should have a yes, comma, what is the average range? Now I have to compute the average of points earned. So I close the bracket, press enter. So it's 72.2. Two decimals, Alt-HK. So 72.20. Similarly, if we have more than one conditions, for example, it could have been uh, compute the average of points earned where the company has played, where the the team has played the Champions League and the points earned are more than 60. Then now there are two conditions, and if there is more than one condition, you know that we will use average ifs. So average if, and average ifs. Try it, guys. That's the last in this series for this example. I'll see you around with the next set of functions.